In this video, you will learn how to force a wrap text or force text wrap to happen. I'm going to make my screen a little bit bigger for you. You don't have to do this with yours. Okay, in A1, we'll put E state and W state and then N state and then S state. Okay, now notice, if I were to, once I have my information and if I click on A1 and I go to wrap text, notice that nothing happens. The reason why nothing happens is because there's enough room in that cell to display all the text the way it is. Well, we don't want that to happen. So what we're going to do is we're going to come down here, put our mouse on top of A1, and then we're going to double click so that we have the cursor inside of the cell. Now make sure the cursor is in front of the S for the state. Once that's there, you're going to hold your Alt key down and enter. And then in order to see it correctly, you have to click off of it. You can click anywhere, but now you'll see that the E is on top of state. Another way you can do this is notice in the formula bar, you still have the words up here. If you click in front of the S, oh, I gotta move that over a little bit, have the cursor in front of the S, hold your Alt key down and enter, does the same thing. So wherever you want to do this, it's up to you. So make sure that cursor is in front of the S, hold your Alt key down, enter, and do it again, Alt enter, and click off. And then what you want to do, highlight your information and center it so it looks nice and presentable. Now just something to go over quick again. I'm just going to throw some numbers into cell A2, and then A3 I'm going to put some more numbers in. And I'm going to multiply these, so I'm going to do equal sign A2 times A3. Now, I'm sure you saw that. Notice that the column automatically adjusted. If the column didn't adjust, or you have a preset for the cell, and it came up with that weird looking number, just remember that you need to get more space into that cell. So you can go up to the alphabet bar, to that line between A and B, or whatever number or whatever letters you're working on, and either double click or click and drag. Okay. Now same goes for if for some odd reason you have pound signs show up. Again, that's just an indication that you don't have enough room and you need to get that room in there.